In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in Todoist. We'll go through this together step by step, so even if you're brand new to Todoist, you will be able to get signed in and ready to manage your tasks in just a couple of minutes. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. This could be Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any other browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top of the screen, click once so it's highlighted, and then type in Todoist. You can either press enter to run the search or select the suggestion that appears below if your browser offers one. You'll be taken to a search results page. At the top, you should see the official Todoist website. Usually, this appears as one of the very first results and will clearly mention Todoist as a to-do list or task manager. Click on that result to open the Todoist homepage. Once the Todoist site loads, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see an option that says something like login or sign in. The wording can vary slightly, but they mean the same thing. Go ahead and click that button to move to the sign-in screen. On the sign-in page, you'll have a few different options. Typically, you can sign in using an email and password, or by using a connected account, such as Google, Apple, or other supported services. Choose the option you normally use with Todoist. If you sign in with email, click in the email field and type the email address you used when you created your Todoist account. Then click in the password field and carefully enter your password, making sure you pay attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. When you're done, click the button to continue or sign in. If you use a connected account, like Google, simply click the corresponding button. A small window may pop up asking you to confirm which account you want to use and to allow access. Follow the on-screen prompts, confirm your choice, and wait a moment while Todoist signs you in. After a brief pause, you should be redirected to your Todoist workspace, where you'll see your tasks, projects, and any